Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick snack that we've been pulling from the last couple of days. My children seem to really enjoy it, and so I'm going to make another batch today. These are going to be some protein balls. They're also called peanut butter balls. They're very simple to make. I'm starting with 2 cups of rolled oats. In here I have 1 cup of chocolate chips, and I have half a cup of almonds. They've been sliced so they're easy to incorporate. I'm also going to put half cup of raisins in my bowl, and those are going to be my addings. I like that this recipe is very easy, comes together quickly. You want to also have your peanut butter be in a warmed state. If you keep your peanut butter in the refrigerator, you want to take it out so that it can warm up a little bit, so that it is easy to work with, or you can warm it in a microwave or on the stove. In here I'm putting about 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm actually putting a little bit more because I'm doubling this recipe. So I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Now I wish my peanut butter was a little bit softer, but we're going to work with it. I'm going to be using honey as my sweetener, but you can also use maple syrup. You could also use sugar, but the sugar is going to be a little bit more difficult and potentially make it a bit gritty. So I put in 1/3 cup of honey. I'm going to incorporate this before I do anything else. So I'm just mixing this around. Alright, this looks pretty good. It's still a bit dry. That's okay, I might have to add a little bit more honey. So now I'm adding my 1 cup of chocolate chips, my half cup of sliced almonds, and my half cup of raisins. It's still a bit dry and I need it to be able to bind together, so I'm going to add just a touch more honey, about 2 tablespoons of honey. This is just the consistency that I'm looking for. So this looks really good. Now it's time to shape them into the peanut butter balls. Alright, so I have my prepared pan here. I'm using a medium-sized scooper and clean hands, and then you're going to squeeze these together. form the balls. Again, I like these, it's quick and easy. And the ingredients are usually things we all have in our pantries. It's a little messy, but that's okay. If you have an issue with stickiness and texture, you can wear gloves, but it's really not that bad. Alright guys, and just like that we have a fun summer treat. It's easy to make and you don't need to heat up your house to get it done. So to make these peanut butter balls, I used 2 cups of rolled oats, about 1.5 cups of peanut butter. I then used 1/3 of a cup of honey, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of almonds, and 1/2 cup of raisins. You can add anything else to these that you would like. Just know the more ingredients you add, the more binder you're going to need. So you're going to have to add either more honey or more maple syrup to keep it bound together, or a little bit more of your nut butter. I used peanut butter in this case, but I'm sure this would also work with almond butter or sunflower seed butter. Cashew butter would probably work as well. So whatever your family already eats, put it to good use and bring these together. These are quick on-the-go snacks. They store well in the refrigerator and it keeps the form that way, especially in the summer months. You don't want to worry about them melting or getting goopy. So I just store them in the refrigerator and we take them out as needed. So today I shared with you how to make these simple protein balls in your kitchen, no heat needed. Thanks for being here, thanks for being you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.